Hello and welcome back to another sweet upload. Today we will be making orange almond biscotti. Biscotti is an Italian word that when translated into English means twice cooked. This crunchy cookie falls under the category of bar cookies. Bar cookies are typically shaped into long bars or logs and then sliced after baking. After slicing, biscotti will then be dried in a low temperature oven, giving it its signature crunch and its name of twice cooked. It's common to serve this style of cookie with coffee or tea, and you'll usually find different varieties of biscotti in coffee shops. Let's take a look at our ingredients for this simple cookie. We have AP flour, sugar, unsalted butter which will be melted and cooled, eggs, candied orange peel, toasted almonds, and vanilla extract. For a quick tutorial on making candied orange peel, be sure to check out the video linked here. We'll start by sifting together the flour and the sugar. Next, we'll combine the eggs and the vanilla extract in a large bowl. At this point, we will add all of the ingredients to the egg mixture: the sifted flour and sugar, the toasted almonds, the candied orange, and the melted butter will all be added together. Stir by hand to hydrate all of the dry ingredients. A brief mix to combine all of the ingredients is all that is necessary. As the mixture begins to stiffen, it will be necessary to gently knead the dough to allow for thorough hydration of the dry ingredients. Once the ingredients are combined into a soft dough mass, divide the dough in half. On a floured work surface, roll the dough into two even logs about 14 to 16 inches long. Be sure to apply even pressure while rolling from palm to fingertip to ensure a consistent product. After rolling, carefully transfer the logs to the pan. Adjust the shape of the logs as needed and give a gentle press to form the logs into even bars. This will assist in achieving a uniform final product. The logs are now ready for the oven. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 17 minutes until lightly golden brown on the bottom edges. Here our biscotti is ready to come out of the oven. It has lightly browned edges and springs back when touched. After cooling, slice the biscotti to desired thickness to prepare for drying. This bar is rather large, so we'll cut it in half first to make it more manageable. From here, make even cuts to ensure uniform size of the final product. Once the bars have been sliced, arrange the biscotti on a sheet pan. Using a metal cooling rack on the sheet pan will save you the step of having to flip the biscotti halfway through the drying process. If this is not available, there's no worry. Simply flip each individual cookie after about 20 minutes in the oven. Dry the biscotti in a 250 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Check to see that the biscotti has completely dried by gently pressing the cookie. It should feel firm to the touch. Allow the cookies to cool to room temperature. They are now ready to enjoy with your favorite cup of coffee. And there you have it, a simple straight dough mixing method for biscotti. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and a comment down below. For more baking tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you soon for another sweet upload.